sky falls, I'll be holding your hand and stay up next. Whatever if this world falls in its worst of flies, may the world where living and existing is the wrong way. And I'll stay until dim low fate leads to swirl, and until our possibilities restrained so much, we will send more love to them, low faith in our dream. Won't this soul as healing? We won't draw without fighting with our last breath, and die anyway, in any way. Forgive the world to be the world, accepting all you've been, and for now, just now, change. 'Cause the world this way can procrastinate. No, we're done if no one comes from above. Yeah, we will stay alone unless it's done.